noise isn't on the tape. It's coming from somewhere else.
Oh, I know!
I hear a noise, it's loud and clear. It's ringing in my ear. Is it the sheep going ba ba ba?
Or someone driving a very fast car. Meow.
Maybe it is someone scraping chairs across the floor.
Maybe it's someone bubbling water with a straw.